guys, for today's video, I first want to announce that due to all of the social media polls and the poll here on YouTube, I guess our community kind of has a name because it only won by one vote, and Soul Squad won by one vote, so I hope you guys are happy with that. And if you're happy being a member of the Soul Squad, just give me a thumbs up so I know that that's okay with you guys. But it was really close between Ghosties and Soul Squad because, like I said, it won by one vote. So I liked both and I'm happy with it if you guys are. And I just wanted to throw that out there. But for today's video, we are going to be going over a story. This is another one of my experiences, and yes, it is again at the shadow figure territory. If you guys aren't familiar with my shadow figure experience, which I'm sure you guys mostly are because I referenced to that so many times, but I'll include that here for you to check out, and that way you'll kind of know what I'm talking about if you're not familiar with it. But since I was chased by a shadow figure, that's the reason I go to this location so many times. And this is an experience that I'll never forget. At this location, I was accompanied by two ladies, and we kind of just go and spend hours upon hours at this location just trying to witness something again for ourselves. Well, this night we had someone that wasn't normally with us. She just wanted to kind of go and see if she could be a witness as well. And the other lady that was with me had witnessed so much of my experiences with me. So it's kind of just a mixture of emotions, this group, because someone had already seen it, so they had a little bit of fear but kind of knew what to expect, and the other lady just had no idea what to expect, but she wanted to see something. So here we are at this location, and we actually saw what we thought was the figure. So of course the other lady, as we were seeing it, she was taking pictures as I was walking towards it, which again, it just vanished. And it wasn't something that I saw definitive 100%, but I did see a figure and it vanished. So as I stepped towards it, it vanished, but it wasn't as distinguished as the first time I had saw it. So could my eyes have been playing tricks on me? Yes, from the shadows and things around. So this is one time I'm not 100% sure if it was the actual figure or if my mind was just playing tricks on me. But I walked towards what I saw, and that's when the other lady verified that she had saw the same thing, was taking pictures in the same area. And we had a crazy picture that I was so excited about because she showed me what she had captured after she yelled at me to get back there. And it looked like the actual figure, but as soon as I told her to send it to my phone, we were both shaking and the picture disappeared. So I'm not sure if it accidentally got erased or if something manipulated it to be erased, but somehow the picture vanished and it never got to my phone, so we did not have the picture that we were so excited about any longer. So whatever happened with that, I don't know. But anyway, the other lady that was with us was just kind of walking down where I was in the roadway, and all of a sudden we hear her tumble. And it sounded rough. She's hitting pavement, so it scared us absolutely to death. And she thought that one of us ran into her and kind of pushed her down on accident or something, but we were at least 10 feet behind her. So she's like, "Which one of you pushed me? I felt you push me. I felt both hands on my back." And then when she looks back and sees that we are 10 feet behind her and running towards her, she began freaking out, and she said she was trying to get up and something would not let her. Of course, when we got to her, we helped her up and found her glasses that had fallen off during the fall, but she was okay as far as falling onto the pavement. But she was describing that something felt like it was holding her down after she felt that she had been pushed. So we were able to help get her back up, and of course we got her out of there because we thought that if it was something in the paranormal aspect that did this to her, that she did not need to be in that area any longer because it apparently was angry with her. So we got her back in the car, and she lived not too far from the area. So we took her back home and just kind of was going over everything that had happened, and we still till this day have no idea how to describe what happened to the picture that we were so excited about because, like I said, it just vanished. And then right after that's when this lady had this crazy experience where she was pushed down and she felt that something was holding her down. So what really happened, I don't know. But I thought you guys might be interested in this story, so I thought I would share it with you guys. Again, it's at the shadow figure territory, and we thought we saw the shadow figure that night. So all of it together is just a little creepy and one of my most memorable experiences down there, and I thought I would share it with you guys. I like to keep you on the loop. I've got so many stories from this location that I like to kind of space them out, but yeah, there's so many of my most prominent memories and experiences at this one location. So I like to keep you guys up to date, and eventually, hopefully, I'll share all these stories with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this story. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already and become a member of the Soul Squad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.